Hey there everyone, Ramesh here, back again with another video on ChatGPT. In this video, you are going to learn how to use ChatGPT to summarize big pieces of text such as documents and articles. So you can get a nice overview and save a ton of time. So the first thing we want to do is that we want to find our piece of text or document, and let's say that I'm reading something on Medium and I think this article looks really interesting. However, it's a decently long article, and there are other articles I want to read as well. I want to understand the information, but I don't want to spend all this time reading it through. So what I can do is that I can copy the entire text starting from the very beginning here, select it all the way to the bottom, copy it, head back over to ChatGPT, and then write a prompt that says summarize this article in 5 sentences in a list. I'm going to hold shift enter, and here I'm just going to paste the entire article in and then hit enter. And here we have all of the information summarized nicely and concisely. So this is one of the best techniques you can use whenever you need to understand large volumes of data and text in a very short time. And should you ever get an error that there's too much text, then just do it in segments. You take a piece of text, ask it to summarize, take the next piece of text, ask it to summarize that part, and then you grab all of those summaries and then you ask it to summarize all of the collected summaries. That way you can have massive amounts of text and data and take all those summaries into one larger summary. And we're talking about spending a couple of minutes at most and then getting data and information that would normally take hours to understand otherwise. So this technique is amazing for quick learning of big volumes of data and texts. Amazing. Make sure that you play around with this yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.